everywhere. It was a little bit of a buck and bronco ride.
Yeah, this is the part that I remember when we went from Okanagan Falls to Conkle Lake.
Yeah.
But we didn't take the turn off to the lake. We headed for...
GoPro, stop it.
There's a there and back loop. It's not difficult. It'll be a great scenery. So have your GoPro on when you... The ninja mount. All good? And rolled it up. Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Another viewpoint over top of Okanagan Lake in the Field of Dreams. I was going through Banquet between Peachland and Banquet, and I came to a rest stop. I went to get on the bike like that, and I hooked my heel and then fell backwards and pulled the bike over on its kickstand towards me. There was somebody there. I hadn't seen anybody all day, but there was somebody there to watch it happen. Better view. There we go. You big fat bitch. You ready to book it into town?
Well, it's 8:45, eh?
Yep. Critter and I came here and he insisted to come here because they had deep fried pickles.
Oh, yeah.
We got here and they didn't have it on the menu, so we asked about it and they brought him some anyway.
Is there camping right here in town? Is there?
By the river?